Hi, today is October 2nd, and I'm in town to upload this snow video. So I want to welcome you guys to the channel. And it's 8:03 a.m. and that's the snow at the moment. There's the snow. At 8-ish, about 8:15 this morning. Sunday morning, 29th of September. It is now 10 a.m. and this is what it looks like. It's still not a lot of snow. It's still snowing though. If you can see the snowflakes falling, still snowing at 10 a.m. I'm going to do this every couple of hours until like 6. It's supposed to snow till 6 or until it stops snowing. So it's 11:30. It's not really accumulating too much right now. This is what it looks like because you see the driveway still has no snow on it really. It's melting faster than it can like stick or whatever. It's still snowing. I don't know if you can see it. A hazardous hill. Oh. Anyway, here's what the snow looks like right now. Not a lot. This is on the back areas. That's a little path I'm walking. But this is what it looks like when off the driveway. The driveway is warmer, I guess. It doesn't get as much snow as this. But this is maybe, I don't know, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. It's a little afternoon and you see the snow is coming down a little bit faster. Sheep are here. They're hungry. I'm going to go get them something and feed them. You can see the snow. Where's the doorstep? Oh, it's not too bad right now because I keep sweeping it. So here, I swept it recently. Swept it. But you can see the snow is getting a little thicker. And there's the sheep. So snow is up to here on my finger now. If you can see. See where it is. That's, what, I don't know, inch. So we're at 1 inch of snow now. Still not sticking to the driveway. So it'll probably stick better tonight. It's a little bit warmer out. I mean, it's 34-ish out. So it's even like not really sticking to the car real well either. It's like melting off. Or the truck, actually. It's a truck. 3:40 p.m. It's now 5 p.m. and you see now the snow is melting off the front of my truck. It was a high of 40 today. It's back down to about 38 right now. You can see it still hasn't stuck to the driveway. But I'm thinking it doesn't look like a let up in the snow, so I'm thinking it's going to continue through the night, and then it'll probably be on this in the morning, because it gets cooler at night, and it'll probably stick. The 40 degrees today has been keeping it from sticking. It's now, I think, about 8 p.m. It's either 7 or 8. 7, I think. 7 p.m. Probably the last I'll do today. Let's see where we're at now on the snow. Oh, it's deep. It's deeper than my finger is long. It's way deep. I would need a measuring tape now. Couple, 2-3 inches. You can see it up here on the hood of the truck. That's about how deep it is. It's pretty deep. Maybe 3 inches. It's been snowing all day. See, it's still not on the driveway, but it is starting to collect. You can see it now starting to collect on the driveway. By the morning, it'll probably be collected here. I don't know how much. It's still snowing. See, you can see it's still snowing. Coming down pretty good. So it's Monday, the 30th, And so it snowed like all day yesterday. This is the snow we got. That's what it ended up being. Here, I'll get another little video up there. So I'm not sure what you guys can see because this is what's left of the snow. I waited till it was like too dark to take video. There's hardly any left, so it doesn't even make any like you can see that like reflections, like nothing on the doorstep. Very little. The snow almost completely melted today. Bummer, that looks so bad I can't even see it. It's a little bit of snow left on that little thing over there, but the ground is like almost all melted. October 1st. Everything melted off the truck yesterday, melted off the ground around it. Really never was anything in the driveway. So that's just what it looks like now. Nothing on there. October 1st, 8 a.m., 30 degrees. You can see the frost on the truck. It was colder overnight. Got down into the 20s somewhere. Hi, my name is Bonnie, and welcome you to our channel. And ask you to subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.